Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we change our phone date in our Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to change your phone date, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change date in our Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So then first of all, open your phone setting, then guys scroll it, and guys click on your additional setting. Guys, this additional setting guys, tap here and guys click on date and time setting. So you can see guys, you cannot use this date setting, so guys first of all off it and guys tap here. Then guys you can see date, so you can see guys this day and guys month and guys year list, so you can change from here. So guys, now suppose guys today is 20 and guys September 2023, 2022, 2021, so you can change from here. So guys 2022 is going, so guys 20 September 2022. Okay, then guys you can see date has changed in your Redmi phone, Tuesday to 20 September. So I hope friends you have understood how to change phone date in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.